I've been trying out recipes from Dr. Mark Hyman's The Young Forever Cookbook because my husband wanted to incorporate more nutritional foods into our diet. Let me tell you, this is near the top of our list of favorite go-to dishes. It has the makings of comfort food, tasty and satisfying. Here's a look at the ingredients you'll need. Just a note about cutting fennel. I'm showing you here one way to prepare diced fennel. Cut off the top and bottom and then cut it into 2 halves. The top part of it is also edible, so you could save that and use it for another recipe. Use a peeler to remove any unsightly parts of the fennel, and then remove the core by cutting a V shape. A little research has brought up a lot of nutritional benefits of this plant. Now we're going to be cooking our fennel, but according to realsimple.com, here's a nutritional breakdown of 1 cup of raw sliced fennel. It is a digestive aid, providing 10% of the daily fiber requirement. It also contains 7% of the daily required potassium, which helps with controlling your blood pressure. 13% of the recommended daily intake of vitamin C is also in fennel, which is needed to strengthen your immune system. It also contains the mineral selenium, which is not found in many other fruits and vegetables. Selenium helps to support thyroid function by converting T4 to the active T3 thyroid hormone. Once you've prepared the ingredients, heat up the oil and then cook the chicken thighs for several minutes on each side. The thighs should be golden brown. Remove them from the pan and then add your leek, fennel, carrot, and celery. Cook this until they are softened. Add the tomato paste and lemon zest to the vegetables. Place the thighs in a layer on the top of the vegetables and pour in the chicken stock until it covers the thighs. You can add more stock or water if needed. A note here, I did use a bouillon-style chicken stock. Tie the parsley, dill, and thyme together with some twine and add this to the pot. I couldn't obtain fresh dill, so I used a bit of dried dill. I also seasoned this with some salt and pepper. Get this to boil before you reduce it to a simmer. Cover the pot, but not completely. Simmer the soup for 40 minutes. Once this is finished, prepare your quinoa and remove the thighs from the soup. Take the meat off of the thighs and discard the herb bundle. Stir the chopped parsley and chopped dill into the soup. Ladle the quinoa into the bowls with some chicken and soup. Serve the dish with wedges of lemons and you have a nice, nourishing chicken soup.